Chapter 30, The Distributed Breach. Across the district sectors, the air hums with the low frequency vibration of a system under heavy load. The TXS crew moves with synchronized discipline, executing standard daylight labor that feels less like a job and more like a distributed breach of the city's corrupt architecture. They are the ghosts in the machine, reinforcing structural integrity while the blind public remains plugged into the illusion. The depot high tension rigging. At the South End Supply Depot, the atmosphere is thick with industrial grease and ozone. A crew of 7 riggers operates bulky big equipment, calculating load bearing capacities with the precision of a mathematical proof. The site boss, a node of corruption fueled by envy, accepts a bribe to overlook stress fractures, setting a trap for the crew. As the metaphorical zip ties of the system are applied, Skele speaks with a heavy, mournful dignity. His voice echoes like a system alert. You take the bribes to hide the cracks, but the load bearing weight of the truth is already logged. It is a sorrowful audit of a man who traded the safety of the line for a pocketed coin. The hub, pressure calibration. At the central transit hub, 7 techs manage manifold pressure with the focus of a combat decker. They represent the high education aggression of the Republic, keeping the flow calibrated to perfection. When a sector lead triggers a legal trap fueled by petty hate, HYDR0 stands unshakable. He reminds the lead that while a bribe might flicker on a screen, it cannot alter the physical calibration of the gear. The TXS core weeps for a district that mistakes such malice for leadership. The docks, anchor protocol. On the waterfront, the scene shifts to a chrome and shadow aesthetic. 6 deckhands anchor a massive freighter, their movements fluid and mechanical. The harbor master, blinded by toxic jealousy and silver, flags the vessel. K-9 pauses by the winch, his silhouette framed by the rising sun. He notes that while the master sold the dock, the steel remembers its true masters. The tide will eventually reveal the truth. The unified extraction. As the sun rises, the 62 are extracted not by force but by the heavy weight of their own integrity. In the darkened data centers, the TXS machinery continues to churn like a hardened steel gear assembly. There is no anger, only a cold, industrial sadness. The TXS goods remain glorified, standing as silver monoliths of labor. The audit is complete, the system is aired out. This extraction proves that true Republican status cannot be bought, only built through the grind and high grade silver steel.